In Kenya, with its diverse culture, the indigenous people believe that Kenya is the resting place of gods. Kenya is a place of diverse culture, vast forest and rich forest. Along with this, there are the tattoos and gorgeous outfits of the Maasai. Now, today's episode is about this diverse Kenya. Kenya, as we know, is a republic in East Africa and a member of the Commonwealth of Nations. Kenya is a landlocked country with high mountains and plateaus. It is home to many ethnic groups. Kenya gained independence in 1963 and has been a republic since 1964. The Sultan of Zanzibar originally owned this part of Kenya. Wars began to arrive in the early 20th century. They became very wealthy by growing coffee and tea on the land here. Later, around 1930, 30,000 whites arrived. This contributed to the market economy of the country, and they also gained a very strong position in the country's politics. The Kikuyu community, the Momo Rebellion, was organized by the Kimbu, Meru, Imbu and parts of the Maasai communities who fought against white European colonists in Kenya. The Momo Rebellion against British rule led to a state of emergency in Kenya from 1952 to December 1959. Kenya has several hydroelectric projects to meet its electricity needs, as well as an oil-field power plant near Nairobi on the coast. However, the country imports electricity for Uganda to meet its electricity shortages. Kenya's population has grown significantly in the past few decades. As a result, a large number of the country's population of young and young. The country consists with that 73% of the population is under the age of 30. In the past 80 years, Kenya's population has grown from 2.90 million to 39 million. Most Kenyans can speak English and Swahili. The education system in Kenya is basically divided into three parts: primary, secondary, and college level. Pre-primary education lasts for 3 years. Primary is 8 years, secondary is 4 years, and college or university level is 4 to 6 years. Public examinations are held at the end of each level. As a result, the number of students at the primary level increased by 70%, but at the secondary or college level, the number of students did not increase at the same rate, because in that case, a lot of money has to be spent on education. Africa is a land of diverse culture, and Kenya is no exception. They are spread across the entire country. Their Maasai like to decorate their upper body with numerous tattoos and ornaments, which are now being used as a fashion in many parts of the world. There are also some people of others region. In terms of status, the collection is Protestant Christian 45%, Roman Catholic 33%, Muslim 10%, traditional 10%, and others 2%. Kenya is a country with diverse culture, vast forests and rich forests. And then there are the Maasai people with their tattoos and gorgeous outfits. I will end today's episode with this diverse Kenya.